How are
Hello, good
you? Good
evening.
evening.
Amazing. How are you?
All good, all good.
Okay, I've had a session with you before, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, very well. How have you been? How is your practice going on?
Practice is not going good actually. Not getting time.
Okay.
So yeah, but trying to save some time and spare time to do do practice.
Okay, saving time to practice.
Saving time to practice. Yeah.
Okay, okay, very
And
nice.
how's your sessions going on?
Very well. I'm very happy with my sessions.
Are you enjoying these clapping?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely love taking sessions and teaching everybody.
Okay. And your job is also going on in this
Mm.
pandemic.
Yes, yes, yes. So I am a marketing professional too.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
know that.
Yeah. So in the day it's that, and in the night it's clapping.
So, your organization allowed to take classes?
Oh, well, it's not related, right? The job is not related. It's
Okay,
not that I'm working for a competitor company. It's completely different. So it's okay.
okay.
And
Good, good.
yeah, and I like to work in two, three places. It refreshes me. So
Yes.
that's
Also,
it.
you get to know a lot of things with different culture and different people.
True, absolutely. Do you like to learn about different cultures?
Exactly. I love to know about new things and communicate to new people and explore the our country from different parts.
Ah, you like the diversity of our country.
Yeah.
Okay, so which is something new that you have learned about some ethnic group?
From this communication group.
No, no, like, do you know something about Gujaratis that is very fascinating? Or maybe some other country? Do you
Yeah.
know something about Japanese that is very fascinating? What do you know about someone
I'm
that you
not
like?
so much aware about other countries.
Okay.
So, but yeah, like Gujarati. So, like whenever I speak to some friends who is Gujarati, so their culture is different from my culture. So, like I belong to UP,
Okay.
and it's more about Krishna and Radha and
Mm-hmm.
all Braj Bhasha and all.
Mm-hmm.
So, so Gujarati is like Garwa and
Yes.
Durga Puja
Their
and all.
Garba is super colorful and
Right.
exciting, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. I do like it
And
too.
you also came to know anything new about something?
Yes, so I often like to learn about different cultures, whether it's India or like some other countries. I try to. So what I would suggest this to you as well. Since you
Okay.
like learning new cultures and you also want to learn English, I think you can do this in one go. Try to just pick one country or one state, okay, every day,
Okay.
or maybe once in
Right.
2 days. Try to
Okay.
explore about their culture, try to watch videos about their culture. Now you will be learning
Right.
English because you're watching these videos in English, and you'll be learning more
Right.
things. What happens when we watch movies is that we get distracted by the movie and what is happening. So we start learning for
Yes.
10 minutes, and the rest of the movie we're not learning that much, right?
Right. Then we don't focus on the English and just we watch that content only.
Correct. But over here, in this case, it's very, very exciting to learn about like different cultures. Like what I learned about probably the Koreans or the Japanese is that they try to have a rainbow platter. They try to include
Okay.
different colors in their meals.
In their
And
meal.
yes,
Yes.
and color is so important. They will get fruits and vegetables of different colors.
Different color. Yeah. Right.
Yes, and it all has like a huge significance in their culture. So they really spend time to make their food,
Yes.
so that is good. And uh, there are some very easy and small short books on different cultures. Like you can the Swedish culture has a book, the Japanese culture has a book.
Right.
I can't believe I forgot the name, but probably next class I'll tell you. But try to
Okay.
just type the Japanese culture book. Very short,
Okay.
very
Okay.
interesting.
And more video we can find on that.
Yes, yes. So try to see it this way. You learn also.
Right. And it's also exciting to know something. So the as much as we excited to know something, it's easy to learn something.
Yes, yes, yes. Only when you enjoy the language, you learn fast,
Right.
right?
If
Okay.
I'm not curious about anything, so I'll not improve.
Yes, absolutely. So try this method next time.
Right. I'll definitely implement it.
Okay, perfect. So what would you
Yeah.
like to learn? Are there like some topics that you would want to speak about, or you're just open speaking about anything?
Yeah, I can speak on any topic. So actually, I didn't explore what is the today's session document. So could you tell me what is exactly
Yes. So it is, would you rather be able to talk with animals or speak all foreign languages?
animals?
Yes.
Okay, and all about foreign language.
Yes, or speak all foreign languages. Which ability would you like to have? Would you like to be able to talk to animals, or would you like to speak all foreign languages in the world?
I think talk to animal is more funny and more something curious about that we can understand what some animals want to speak and what is they are talking to each other, like what dog speak to other dog
Yes.
and what squirrel is talking to its what is the word for squirrel pet what is
Uh, for
child of
squirrel,
squirrel?
child of
Yeah.
a squirrel. I'm sorry, I do not know.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what are the things that you would like to know? Just say that you could speak to a dog. What do you want to know?
Like uh, whenever I drive my car, they start running behind my car. Don't know what is the reason why they are following my car.
Okay. So you
So
want to know why?
they just started walk and just they follow my car. So
Okay, they start
don't know
chasing
what is
me.
the reason they are chasing me or
Okay,
yeah.
and
So
they
I
start
want
barking.
to know why they were following me.
Okay, I want to know why they're constantly chasing me.
Yeah, I want to know why they are constantly chasing me.
Yes, because the activity hasn't stopped, right? This keeps happening to you. So we use the present.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Okay, very well. Any other question that you would like to ask? Like, you know, that animals also have feelings, right? Do you want to ask them
Right.
any other question?
So, some people like to uh, carry pets in their house,
Mm-hmm.
right? They they have pets in their house, and some have birds as well.
Yes.
They keep these birds in the prison and all. So I want to know how they feel when they
Oh,
kept inside,
when they are kept inside, when they are caged.
right? They are caged.
That is very, very nice of you to think this way, that it's very important to understand how they feel. We might think, oh, it's a pet, it's enjoying,
Right,
but
right.
freedom is
But I don't
everything.
think they feel good actually.
True, true, true.
We
You're
can
right.
uh, we can imagine by ourselves as well. So if we kept inside the cat, what the prison and all, so would I feel?
Yes, if we are kept inside a cage, or if we are caged, how would we feel?
Yes,
Okay, okay. Do you think
right.
animals have like their own language and everything?
I think so.
Okay. And
Uh,
yeah,
yes.
what kind? What do you think they interact with each other?
don't know what is the exact language. You also observe that when one crow start, what is the word to
Cawing. I think it's
crowing and all anything. So the all crow gathered uh, inside, around that crow. So maybe they speak in their its language. So
yeah. All crows gather around them. Singular, plural.
all crow gathers around. Right.
Okay. Okay. Or you can say every other crow gathers around this person. I mean
Right.
this crow.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say you could speak all the languages in the world. Okay. How would
Okay.
it help you in your life? Being able to speak all the foreign
So
languages.
like I belong from Agra. So I started earning by doing a job as a guide. I think they earn well. So guide earn well, who is a uh, good guide at Agra, at Taj Mahal actually.
Okay, you used to do that?
No, sir. No, actually, I want to do that.
Okay. So
If I
so you
had
must say
the
I would
opportunity to
like
learn,
to.
I would like to do that.
Yeah. So when
Yeah.
you say I started to do that, it means that in your past you have done that job.
I said I want to start that.
Okay, okay, okay. So use more of would and could in situations that are unrealistic.
Yes.
Okay. If you're imagining a situation, if something is unreal, if the
Right.
possibility or the chances of
So
that
can
incident
I say
happening.
if I had the opportunity to learn lots of languages, I would started uh, working as a guide.
Yes, I would start working as a guide.
I would start as a guide.
Yes, that's
Right.
perfect. So you understood, right? This is how you use would and could.
Right. Right. Yeah, I know.
Okay,
But
okay.
I forgot to
No problem.
implement in a flow.
No
Yeah.
problem. No problem. Okay, continue. So you want to be a guide and earn lots of money.
Right. And also, I'll get a chance to stay at my hometown.
Okay.
So there would be no need to leave my hometown and my home
Mm-hmm.
if I get that opportunity.
Okay, okay. Very well. Do you think that everyone should learn at least one foreign language?
Yeah, I think that's why school started one foreign language. It's compulsory to learn in a
Mhm.
school. So maybe it's important. That's why they started to do that.
Mhm, mhm. Okay. Let's say that you were given that we all were shifting to Mars, okay? Another planet.
Right.
And you
Okay.
had just 2 hours left on Earth. What would you like to do on Earth?
I I will started. I will be started to meet my all these friends. uh, there are so many friends. They didn't meet for a long time. So yeah, I do that.
Okay, I would start by meeting all of my friends because we haven't met in a long time.
Yeah, we haven't met for a long time. In a long
Yeah,
time.
in a long time.
In a long time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I know the in a long time will confuse you. So don't use it in other places. Only in this context, it's in a long time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So very well. I think it's good to have this small dialogue and these imaginary questions with you.
Right.
It's very nice. You have to concentrate a little more on the tenses. I think you know it while writing, but while
Yes.
speaking, sometimes you miss out. So do one thing, try to text more in English too.
Okay.
That's when you'll analyze, oh, okay, here I'm going on. You have time to think and reflect, right? When you're texting.
Right.
And
Right.
we anyway keep sending forwards to our friends and everything else. Send 2 lines in English.
Uh, I rarely do mistake while I text or type something.
Mm.
But I usually do mistake when I speak actually.
Yes, it's also because you're a little hesitant. So you actually hold yourself back a lot. I know you're smiling and everything else, okay? But you're still holding yourself back because you speak little and then you stop. You speak little and then you stop. Speak more. Give more
Actually,
perspectives.
it take time to frame the sentences and all. So that's why I take pauses.
Okay, okay. No problem if you take pauses, but elaborate.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
saying elaborate and try to give perspectives from different angles. For example, if I just say that, what do you like to eat the most? Don't just say, oh, I like to eat pizza. Try to explore possibilities that I would like to try something else in the future, maybe, or give you a personal experience. Once, like I was like how you gave me the car example when they were following you. It's
yeah,
good
yeah,
to add that. It's good to add snippets like that. Okay. So what I'm telling
okay,
is not just point to point and finish it like an interview. We'll
okay,
explore more in a conversation. We'll try to think
right,
from different angles.
okay,
How do I think? How does the world think? Because it's different, right? How the world thinks versus
right,
how I
right,
think. You can just be like, many people love animals, but I don't. So there's a difference in opinion.
yes,
So try to express even those. That's how it,
okay.
that's how
I'll try.
Yes, that's how we try to make conversations interesting.
Yeah,
Okay. And also, the advantage to this is when you give multiple perspectives, it connects you with the other person. Hello? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Am
it
I audible?
connects you. Yeah. It connects you with the other person when you give multiple perspectives.
Okay,
Okay. That's why we try to give more than one opinion. Because
sure. I will implement this.
yeah, if you give me one opinion, I may not connect with it. If you give me two, three, I'll be like, oh, I relate to that point that you're
Yes.
saying, right? Okay, good. Like when you say when dogs speak to another dog, when dogs speak to some other dogs. So singular, plural, and tenses. Okay, a little
Okay,
work on these. Grammatically, I think these are something you strongly have to work towards.
okay.
So put in more conscious effort while constructing these
Right,
phrases.
right.
Okay. Try answering everything that I asked, the little questions again to yourself.